problem that we're having since our upgrade to sp11 is that videos that were once inserted and playing fine in the courses are no longer playing, and so it seems to be that they are MP4s that are not being recognized, but they were in the old content editor. And so here's an example of one which is presenting this problem. The one above it is one that I sort of used a workaround to fix, but I'll show you what happens when we try to find this video. This is a video about the Berlin Wall. So if I edit this item to try to fix this inserted media, I can see the placeholder for the inserted media. It's showing as a Windows media clip where it previously was not. But at any rate, if I click on this and choose Edit Embedded Media, and I get my window for editing this media, I'm going to change this. This is an MP4, so I'm going to change the type to QuickTime. And I'm just going to make that change first of all, and click Update. And we'll preview this. And see that nothing really happens here. Now if I submit this item, it does appear to fix. So this is fine, although a bit annoying that we have to go through anywhere there's a video embed and change the file type. It seems the type was not recognized. But the other thing that's troubling is, what if I want to insert a new video? So if I go to Build Content, Create an Item, and in this case I'm not editing an already existing one, I'm inserting a new one. So I click in my content editor, use the Media button, and what I'll be doing is pulling a video that I've already uploaded to my content collection. So if I switch to the QuickTime type, browse my content collection, I can see my files, but I can't actually select any MP4s. I can, however, select an MOV file. So I'm guessing the only format recognized in the QuickTime type is MOV. So if I have MP4s, how do I insert those? No matter what type I choose here, it does not allow me to choose an MP4 from the content collection. So no matter what I choose here, the only video that is selectable is the MOV file. So surely MP4s have to be an acceptable file format. They're pretty universal. How can I bring those into an item? It works to edit to allow an MP4 to come through, and it will actually work if I insert an MOV file and then switch and change the source, but that's not something we should have to go through to insert an MP4. So what's the best way to insert an MP4 file, MP4 media, and embed it into an item like this? What are the steps we should use? It also seems like the videos are auto-starting regardless of the settings we choose. So this is a page or a folder that contains multiple videos, and when I click Submit, it will play automatically, and so will all the others on the page, which is obviously very confusing for students to hear them all start at once. So to look at the settings for this embedded media, I've right-clicked, choosing Edit once again here. And when I go to the Advanced tab, I can see that the controller is set to show. Autoplay is not on. I don't see anything else that would tell it to auto start or autoplay. And just to be sure, looking at the source, looking at the source on this, I can see auto start is set to false. And autoplay is set to false, so I'm not sure quite where it's getting the message to play, unless I'm missing something in this code. but either way I should be able to set that from this advanced tab, it would seem. So I click update and I'm going to submit this item. Keep in mind this is the item titled Cold War Events of the early 1970s.
After its defeat at the end of World War II in 1945, Germany was split.
That video played automatically, and so did the other one on this page. So how can I prevent that from happening as well?